The roar of the hurricane was deafening, but the silence that followed was even more profound. In the aftermath, as I stood amidst the rubble of what was once my home, I realized that survival had gifted me a purpose. With each sunrise, I found strength I didn't know I had, and I channeled it into helping my neighbors piece their lives back together. We became a community of builders, hands calloused and hearts open, turning tragedy into a tapestry of resilience. As we hammered and painted, we shared stories of loss and hope, learning that the true foundation of any home is the spirit of those who inhabit it. Every nail driven into wood was a promise to each other that we would rise stronger, not just for ourselves but for every person who found themselves lost in the storm. The lesson was clear: in helping others rebuild, we rebuild ourselves.